Hey everyone, welcome back to 2D Families, where we do the research so you don't have to. And today we put a short video together for you if you're doing some research on video doorbells and you're wondering what the quality looks like for the audio and the video on this Eufy Video Doorbell 2K. Also, don't forget to check out our full video review of this doorbell and the links provided down below. So let's get into the video. Hey everyone, this is the Eufy 2K audio and video test with HDR off. Hey everyone, this is the Eufy 2K video and audio test with HDR on. Now we downloaded one of the video clips and confirmed that it does have the correct resolution rate for 2K, which is the 2560 by 1920 pixels. However, we did see that it's only capturing in 10 frames per second, so the video quality isn't that smooth, especially when comparing to, say, the Ring Video Doorbell that captures in 15 frames per second, or even better, the Nest Hello, which captures in 30 frames per second. And we're going to show you a side-by-side comparison of those video resolutions between those different doorbells that we mentioned, so please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss those. Okay, this is the audio and video quality test at night, and this is with the porch lights off, so you're actually able to see me with night vision via the infrared LEDs. And so what you'll still be able to see everything just fine. My eyes probably look a little freaky as I get closer, but we'll just see the difference between this and with the porch lights on here in a second. Okay, this is the audio and video test with the porch lights on, and it's got a little bit of color to it now that it's not using the infrared for the night vision being black and white, but you can still tell with it being quite a bit darker outside that it's a little bit harder to see, but it's still good enough that with the lights on you can see pretty well. Alright, what we're going to do here, we're going to get a quick notification. There it is. Let's just walk around the corner here. So what we're doing is we're just giving it a quick minute because we want to test if the cool down period is pretty quick of when it kind of resets and it's ready for another notification. What we're testing for is there are certain doorbells or cameras that the motion will be set off by, say, a car or something. But then the cool down period is much longer before it'll start capturing more video. So essentially someone could set it off some way and then everything that happens for, say, 5 minutes wouldn't be captured on subsequent videos. So it's been about a minute now, so we're going to go check to make sure that another one goes off right now. Okay, it's 5:38. It was kind of 5:37 right when I did the last one, so it's been about a minute. The clock had just changed. Yep, we've got another one. Okay, so that's good news, and that just means that it's a pretty decent quick cool off, and probably going to capture any events that happen back to back. So what we're going to test here real quick is this Eufy doorbell has artificial intelligence and it has human detection, so it can detect the shape of a human. I'm going to try to see if I'm a burglar or something. I can maybe fake it out by changing my shape, crouching down or something, walk up to it and see if it'll still detect me or not. Okay, so you saw me walk up and I did not get any kind of a notification there, so pretty interesting. Now as I stand up, it still has, oh, it just got a notification. So there's the notification. You can see in the settings here, under motion detection, I'm right in the middle, so if you had it clear over to human only, and what I just did is still not picking up on the middle sensitivity. So to be on the safe side, you probably want to be more towards the all motion, just so you're sure that it picks up everything, and that you saw what I just did, that you want to be able to sneak up without being detected.
Testing, testing. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, can you hear me okay? Yeah, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
That's awesome. How's the weather outside?
It's breezy and sunny and not cloudy.
That's awesome. How's the weather outside?
It's breezy and sunny and not cloudy.
Oh, okay. You're going to turn the volume up a little bit. Here now. Tell me again, what's the weather like? I just turned the volume up a little bit more. I want to see how the audio is.
It's not cloudy, it's sunny and a little breezy.
All right, I can hear the birds loud and clear. That's pretty cool. It's a beautiful day outside. Can you hear me okay out there? All right.
Yeah.
Here, let me try one of these here. Did you hear anything?
No.
No? It says someone's responding now.
No.
Listen. Okay. Here, let me try one of these here. Did you hear anything?
No.
No?
No.
It says someone's responding now. Okay. Here, let me try something else. I'm going to turn the audio off, and then I'll try one of these recorded messages. Tell me if you hear it.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Did you hear it?
It said, "Excuse me, can I help you?"
Okay, let me try one more.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do the no solicitors that I recorded. It says response sent.
Sorry, no solicitors. Did you hear that last one?
Yeah. It says, "Sorry, no solicitors," whatever the word is.
Cool, thanks buddy.
Well everyone, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Please give us a like, and if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget that this is just a quick video and audio test of the Eufy Video Doorbell 2K, but we do have a full review, and that link will be down in the description if you want to see that. And that's it from Tunity Families. We'll see you next time.